So have things settled down now? Because you were, when we talked a couple weeks ago, you were at the height of your internet fame. Have things sort of calmed down, or are they still?
Life is good. It has calmed down quite a bit.
Yeah? Have you been back to the Olive Garden at all?
I just kind of breezed by there. I went in and bought a gift certificate for the woman who takes care of my dog.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
And have they named a meal after you yet at the Olive Garden?
You'd think that they would.
You'd
wouldn't
think
you?
so,
Yeah.
right.
But that's,
Did the manager ever call you or anything, or thank you?
well, they all seemed very excited when I came in.
Okay, sure, yeah.
They stood at attention. They didn't do that the first
And
time.
is it still, they didn't do that, is it still as popular? Because the Olive Garden had just opened up in your town.
Yeah, it's, unless you eat in the middle of the afternoon, you have to wait in line a long time.
Really?
For a lunch or for dinner. People just, they waited for that Olive Garden. They just kind of, I don't know what it is, but they waited and waited. And
It's
it was
the
like,
breadsticks. Is those breadsticks brushed in butter and olive oil and salt?
you don't think that's exciting?
I get excited by the bread, sure. And the artichoke dip, but you hadn't had that yet. But that's
No.
what I recommended to you.